Fins up, friends. Did you know that there is a limit on how many pets you can have? That's right. Stick with me. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life from the very beginning. All right, let's talk it out. So the HOA does have a limit of up to 3 pets per household. So 3 dogs, 3 cats, a bird, a reptile, a dog. However that looks for your family, your fur babies are absolutely welcome, but with that limit of 3. Now also there is a limit on breeds if we're talking dogs. And generally you can think all of the ones that have a reputation for being more aggressive dogs. So you will find all of those details spelled out in the HOA documents, but we're all wondering, what do the rules look like? So I wanted to come and give you the information on the pet policy. You all know that we've got the Barkaritaville Dog Park. It is separated into larger dogs and smaller dogs, and there's the most adorable dog bath that's there right on site for you, and the dog spa. You make a reservation. Now that one has fees associated with it, but it's the same as if you went anywhere else. So why not just have them go right while you're there, enjoying either the pool or going having some margaritas yourself. Okay, well that's the updates on did you know about the pet policy. Stay tuned and we'll do it again. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life, and you're welcome to text or call with any questions that you might have, and definitely let me know before you come. Bye now.